We drove around the streets of downtown Toledo for a good 3 months trying to find the right property for us and our family, and settled on this. There was a gang of rubble that the city had cleaned out that was probably as tall as the building, and we knew that it was it. We looked at it and all the debris and dirt and run down and said, that is it. And so we've been here. We did it the same way we do everything else, which is a complete renovation. We open everything up typically and just make it nice. We just kind of transform the old to new, just repurpose. And so that's exactly what we did with our home. So this is kind of Grand Central Station. This is our dining room area here. And then this is our great room. So this is where we spend the majority of our time at.
Beautiful.
Thank you. I did New England Knotty Pine because it's 6,000 square foot. And I thought with 4 children, I don't want to clean floors all day long. Mm-hmm. And so I chose nice knotty pine. So these high back chairs have significant purpose. So when was it called the Grand Hotel, where it's now the Renaissance, mm-hmm. they had that liquidation sale. And so these high backs were this gross mustard green, faded. They were pretty bad, but of course I saw them. I'm like, Kevin, these are ours. We are not leaving. And I just kind of stood by the chair because I had this purpose for them. And so I got some cowhide from the local fabric store, and they just brought it to life for me. So this is the other view of the dining room kitchen. There's a little person in here.
How many kids do you have?
So we have 4, and this is the youngest. Reagan, would you like to say hi? Hi. Reagan's 4 years old.
Hey, Reagan.
Wave. You wave to everyone. She's getting cereal. So kitchen, Kevin pours concrete countertops. Mm-hmm. So he poured this countertop for us. It's 3 sections. It's 18 foot. And we just gather. So the pillars, these are all original. So it's a wood frame building, and you can see them on both sides of the structure, and they just slope back. But they're original to the building. They literally said, I had a historian in here who gave us some facts. So this is another kid. This is Rowan.
Hi.
Hi. What are you doing?
I just built, basically a swing out of blankets that keeps falling.
So our kids share. I mean, the rooms, we made them large enough, and I wanted them to have a strong sister and brother bond, mm-hmm. right? And so there's no TVs in the room, and it's just them to work it out with their sibling. So this is 2 girls are in here. Here is Carson, who just turned 11.
Hello.
And then this is Kaden, who's our oldest.
Hello. How are you
doing? So this is their bedroom. So our master is in the back. This bed is actually some of the old floor joists that we were able to salvage, some items from the elevator we were able to salvage, and then we made our bed out of it.